Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Can't wait to show you this one today, so stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So we're here on the west end of this beautiful short-term rental new construction home. Just in this view, you can see the pool and a pond. It's waterfront. It's nice and spacious outside. The details inside, I can't wait to show it to you. Let's quit talking and let's check this beauty out. So welcome into this stunning beach home. All I can say is luxury. You've got your quartz, you've got your backsplash, your high ceilings. I love that they've put these modern stain twists to the beams in here. It leads straight from the kitchen into your dining space, and there's plenty of room for all the guests or family that's here. And it flows seamlessly right into this beautiful living room. Some details I want to point out. Throughout the home, you're going to find your 8-foot doors. You're going to find architectural features such as this living room piece on the ceiling, and the tile, they have spared no expense in this beautiful luxury home. Let's go see what the bedrooms have to offer. So welcome into the downstairs main bedroom. Most of the bedrooms are upstairs, but you've got nice space down here. It leads straight out to the patio, and of course it has its ensuite. And as I mentioned earlier, there has been no detail left unnoticed, even including the marble tile in the bathrooms. And each space has its own unique style. So I can't wait to continue showing you the rest of what's in this 5-bed, 4-bath, stunning home. Let's keep looking. Welcome into the main ensuite that is upstairs. There is so much space here that it adds to the feel of luxury. Also, a detail I'd like to point out is the modern use of crown molding. It just kind of gives it a nice, clean, edgy style. And the design and opulence doesn't stop in the bedrooms with, say, a feature wall. You also have these amazing bathroom design touches that makes it feel opulent and transports you into another serene place that I don't know you can get very often. You could have this as your home or as a short-term rental for guests. I mean, who wouldn't want to stay here? Let's keep checking this beauty out. In addition to the bedrooms that are here on the second floor, you also have another lounge space. If you've got older kids or multiple sets of families, or hey, the girls can come up here and talk while the men stay downstairs and watch some sports or whatnot, you've got lots of variety and ability to utilize this home and this space as perfect entertaining space. Now we've got some more bedrooms. We got to check them out. So additionally, on the main level, you've got this converted garage. You've got extra high ceilings, which allows for these bunk beds that are built in to be able to have plenty of space up top. You also have the beautiful design and decor that has gone throughout the home, but this space adds 4 more heads in beds. And it's kind of nice because if the kids are here, we can have a kind of a quiet zone for mom and dad. Just as every detail on the interior has been curated and implemented, you find the same level of luxury out here. You've got seating for all your guests again, even down to a carpet. You can come out here to the pool and relax looking over the pond. And you've got an outdoor shower as well as a beautiful grilling area that coordinates with everything else. You've got this polywood as your countertop. Literally haven't missed one single detail, including the jewelry of the home. The light fixtures throughout are just stunning. Just wow, right? That's all I can come up with. These words of stunning and luxury and extravagant and opulent, they just can't even convey the amount of beauty that is in this home. So for more information, you can look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to continue looking at the finer details. There are so many, I would suggest that you do. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any glorious beauties like this one.